In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use your phone as a microphone for your PC. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This is particularly useful if you don't have a dedicated mic for your PC, but you can still use your phone to perform the same function. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your computer and search for the DroidCam app. Once you find it, click on the link and scroll down to locate the section for the PC client. From there, click on the Windows Setup button to begin downloading the software. After the download is complete, open your File Explorer. Go to the Downloads folder and double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your computer. Once it's installed, launch the app by searching for DroidCam in your Windows search bar and opening it up. Next, grab your phone. Open the App Store on your phone, search for DroidCam, and install it. Once installed, open the app. The app also supports webcam use, but for this purpose, we're focusing on the microphone. Tap Continue and grant any necessary permissions. Now, tap the Add a Device button, and the app will start looking for your PC. If your PC doesn't appear immediately, tap the Refresh Device List button to try again. You may need to press it a couple of times. Once the PC appears, enter the required Wi-Fi IP address and enable audio by checking the Enable Audio box. Press OK to establish the connection. Once connected, you'll see your phone's camera feed, but since we're using the mic, let's focus on that. Next, right-click the sound icon in your PC's system tray and open the sound settings. In the Input section, select DroidCam Audio as the input device. To test it, open the Sound Recorder app and press Record. Your phone's microphone will now be active. As you can see when I press Record,